Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. From prayers of thanksgiving to a call for action, President of the Jamaica Teachers Association says while Jamaica's education system has shown strength after Hurricane Melissa, he's again calling for the government to close shelters based in schools. He was speaking at a special JTA church service in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. Aliyah Bryant has the details.
Teachers, students, and community members gathered at the Santa Cruz Sharon Baptist Church for a national Thanksgiving service following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Jamaica Teachers Association President Mark Malabva reflected on the strength shown by Jamaicans, particularly education administrators, in the face of the storm's destruction. But while acknowledging that resilience, he also issued a clear call to the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development to act quickly to relocate people still in schools used as emergency shelters.
While we recognize the humanitarian necessity of providing shelter for those in need, the prolonged use of schools as shelters have now become a matter of grave concern. Schools are not designed to function as long-term shelter facilities. They are spaces dedicated to the safety, development, and protection of children. This concern is particularly acute in our primary schools, where our youngest and most vulnerable students must be guaranteed secure, orderly, and nurturing learning environments.
He added that teachers and school administrators carry a profound duty of care. However, he says that the current arrangements in some schools are undermining their ability to provide that care effectively.
Teachers cannot reasonably be expected to guarantee the safety of children in environments where school operations are forced to coexist indefinitely with emergency shelter operations. For this reason, tomorrow the JTA will be dispatching a letter to the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development. And we'll copy that letter to ODPEN and the Ministry of Education. In that correspondence, the association will formally give the Ministry of Local Government 3 weeks to relocate the shelterees from school compounds.
Mr. Malabva also warned that if the situation is not urgently addressed within that time frame, the association will be forced to take further action to protect the education system.
The JTA is prepared to escalate its advocacy in defense of the safety of students and teachers across this nation, because safety of Jamaica's children is not negotiable.
Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.
In the